This video is to show you a problem that we have with our Victron BMS, the female CAN connectors which are on the unit. So I can show you with this cable. All of these connectors are good, and you can see that the cable stays in place nice and securely. There's a click and it's nice and secure. You can pull the cable and it stays in place. It's the same for all of these, you have that click. Nice and secure. Click. Nice and secure. Click. Nice and secure. So they're all good, but final installation, it's not the same. These two blue ones are good. Stays in place, nice and secure. Click, stays in place, nice and secure. However, the problem is with the two black ones. See, there is no click, and the cable can easily fall out with a gentle pull. So it's these battery CAN cables that we have a problem with them coming out.